Good evening everybody and welcome back to another video. Today's an exciting one because this week we are unboxing October's Glossybox. And it's possibly my favourite box yet. As you all probably already know, Glossybox is a monthly beauty subscription box, and this month you had a chance of getting one of two boxes, and I actually got Enchanted Spirit. I was hoping for this one just because I absolutely love the box. Beautiful. So this is the outside of the Enchanted Spirit box. It's sort of like a rough material, kind of makes you think of like a book, and it's got like an embossed gold illustration on it. It has Enchanted Spirit on the side, and on the other side it says a very glossy fairy tale. So pretty. I love these special edition boxes. Since I joined last year, I've actually kept every limited edition box. And I keep all my makeup in them. They're just so cute. I'm in love with the packaging, and the contents inside this month are really good as well, so this might be one of my favourite boxes so far. I've already unboxed this. I've managed to put it back together quite well, but I haven't tried anything inside yet, so that's what we're going to do today. I'm not wearing any makeup, as you can probably tell, because we're going to be trying some of these products today. So in there you get your usual little booklet showing you the two different designs that were available this month, and this tells you a little bit of everything you get in the box, how much it's worth, etc. I'm presuming everybody got one of these in their box this month, but I was quite pleasantly surprised to see this. So this is actually a foundation finder by Look Fantastic. So basically, you scan the QR code on the front, answer 3 questions about your preferred foundation coverage and skin type, and then take a selfie and discover the best foundation for you. So this is really good, especially at the moment when you can't really try out foundation. So this is the inside, packaged really beautifully as usual. I'm so proud that I managed to stick it back down without any damage. Does anybody else do this? Do you open your Glossybox or beauty subscription box, see what's inside, package it all up again, so that you can open it again later? Here's a little peek of everything inside. Let's get straight in because I'm excited. So the first thing is foaming bath powder in lavender called Fairy Dust, and this is by Bubble Tea Cosmetics Limited. Relax, restore and prepare for a deep sleep with this dreamy lavender foaming bath powder. This is full size and it's worth $5.99. Next we have the Stargazing Blush Duo by The Beauty Crop. This comes in really cute packaging to match the box. It's got a really pretty design on the compact as well. I just stuck my nail in it. It was just going too well, wasn't it? I'm a disaster. This is what it looks like inside. It doesn't come with a mirror, but the blushes are really pretty. And these shades are called Orion Glow. It's kind of like one more bronzy and one more sort of peachy tone blush. So I'm excited to try these out. This is another full size and it's worth £18. Next we have the cutest little deluxe mini. It's the Hydra Veil by Illamasqua. But it's a little mini version. Look how small it is. For comparison, I actually have the full size. Look how cute. To be honest, I think I'm more excited to get the little version than the big version because it's so tiny. So even though I already have this, I've not actually tried it yet, so I'm excited to try this primer. So this deluxe mini is worth £10 and full size is $34. So next we have another deluxe mini, and it's the Essential Real Eye Cream for Face by AHC. I don't actually know what AHC stands for. I've never heard of this company before. But it's an eye cream that you can put all over your face, apparently. It's like a 2-in-1. Concentrated eye cream for the whole face. So it's got quite a few acids in there, and it's also got retinol. So I'm looking forward to this one. So as a deluxe mini, this is actually worth £8.66. If you're wanting the full size, that's going to be £26. So we have another full size product, and it's the Pixie lipstick by Luna & Luna. Okay, let's swatch this. It smells really nice. It smells quite floral. I feel like that is the definition of a coral lipstick. I don't have lipstick this colour, so happy with that. So as I said, that's a full-size product and it's worth £15. The last thing in this box, which I thought was just adorable, is a tiny little bar of Cadbury's dark milk. It's got like little squares. Oh, thank you, Glossybox. We got a chocolate in our last one, actually. Trying to get me fit. Okay, so that's everything in the box. So now I'm gonna actually try out some of the stuff. So starting with this, now I'm not gonna have a bath, so I'm just gonna open it and smell it because I'm intrigued. Why do these packages always seem to defeat me? Okay, I'm gonna need some scissors. I win. Wow. That smells like really expensive lavender. And it's pink. If this isn't glittery when it goes in the bath, I'm gonna be disappointed. Wow. You can smell it really well even though it's like double bagged. Can't wait for a lavender bath with my pumpkin spice coffee, face mask on. Okay, so I'm actually gonna try the Essential Real Eye Cream before I try the Hydra Veil. I know the Hydra Veil is kind of like a little bit of a hydrator, but obviously it never hurts to double moisturize when you get past 30. I'm gonna use quite a small amount to start with because I don't know how far this goes. That has pretty much no fragrance. It does feel like an ice cream. When was the last time you rubbed ice cream into your face? It does feel like an eye cream, to be fair. It's got that kind of like silky, thick feel to it. I'm not gonna lie, it does feel a little bit greasy, but that's okay for me because I've got quite dry skin. It does absorb quite well though. It has definitely left like quite a greasy residue on my face, so I'm not sure how the Hydra Veil is gonna go on top of this, but we're gonna see. I'm gonna let that soak in and we're gonna try the Hydra Veil next. It's just so adorable. Like I said, I've not tried this yet, so today is a first. Again, not really scented, which is good for a lot of people. Exact same product inside. I feel like my finger is going to be too big to get any product out. But I'm just going to pop that all over my face, but concentrating mainly around the areas where my pores are the worst. I can see why this is a favourite among the primers because it really does feel like a hydrating serum, but at the same time it feels tacky, so really good for a foundation base. And it's taken away that sort of greasy feel from the eye cream. It's kind of left like a glow behind. I don't know if you can see. So I'm going to go away now and quickly put on most of a face of makeup, and then we are going to come back and try the lipstick and the blusher. See you in a minute.
3 hours later.
I am back looking a little bit more orange. We had a bit of a liquid liner disaster, but we're not going to talk about that. Just kept it really minimal so we can try out these products. So first we're going to go with the blusher duo by the Beauty Crop. And I haven't put any highlighter on because these blushers look quite illuminating, so we'll just go with these. I think what I'll do is I'll try one on one cheek and one on the other, just so we can see the difference. So I'm going to go in with the more peachy shade. Wow, that picked up a lot of product. Here goes nothing. Wow. That is pigmented. Really pretty colour. It's kind of like a peachy goldy tone, so you really don't need any highlighter. Of course you could. I probably would. But I forgot to say it actually, my foundation went on really well over the Hydra Veil and there was no balling up, there was no lifting, even when the powder went on. Having the AHC eye cream underneath as well didn't cause any problems. So it's definitely an eye cream that you can use underneath your primer and underneath your foundation. The only thing I would say about the Hydra Veil is it doesn't seem to be a pore refining primer, so I would definitely need something like Porefessional by Benefit just to get rid of the orange peel look basically. But other than that, really like it. So I'm going to go in with the more bronzy blusher now. So this is definitely lighter. So that definitely blends a lot better with my skin tone at the moment because I have got no fake tan on whatsoever. It blends into the bronzer that I've got on really nicely. To bronze I just use the Park Avenue Princess palette by Tarte Cosmetics. and that goes really nicely with it actually. So I think your darker skin tones would appreciate this one a little bit more. And the lighter one is less highlighting as well, so you could definitely match that with a really nice sort of goldeny highlighter. Okay, let's finish off this mismatched look with some lipstick, shall we? Love a new lipstick. All I've got on my lips is just some lip balm from earlier and some foundation. So we'll see how this goes on pretty much by itself. That is bright. That is a really nice formula. It's really creamy, but it's not overly difficult to apply. I think it would have been a lot easier with a lip liner, but I'm gonna have to actually go out and buy a lip liner that matches this because I don't currently own one. So definitely a summer color, but it feels really nice. It feels really hydrating. We'll see how it lasts the day, but I really like it. But yeah, really, really soft, creamy lipstick, so I think we might have to watch for transfer on your teeth. So that's it for this week's video. I hope you enjoyed unboxing this month's glossy box with me and trying out some of the products. If you enjoyed it, please like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!